Subway Fix It. Please subscribe to our channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to Subway Fix It, and today we are going to be playing with My Dollhouse episode 2, so let's start. Are the preparations ready, girls? Yep. Affirmative. I'm not sure. Oh well, we're ready. Okay, we need to think of a plan. A plan? I think she meant a plan, not a plant. Yep, she meant a plan. Not a plant? It's confusing me now, girls. I'll go with Charlin in the upper room. I'll go in the library. I'll go in the toilet again. And I'll go in the upper room. And this leaves me the kitchen then. I'm happy to cook. Okay, girls. Start going to your positions. I enjoy that room. Call on me if you want. I'm just doing the next round. Peace and quiet. Not fully peace and quiet. No, fully peace and quiet. Now, time to check this flavoring. Tasty. I just need to add the secret ingredient for Charlin's birthday cake. Oh, this is hard work. I wonder what Rapunzel's doing. Hi, Charlin. Hi. What's your favorite food? Lasagna. What's your favorite flavor ice cream? Vanilla. That's much better. Okay, so what's your favorite television called? The Time of the Wizards. Okay, it's weird. Okay, so what junk food do you like? I like pizza. Of course you like pizza. Now, what's your favorite clothes? My favorite clothes are these, instead of the raggy old ones you found in the dump that Ariel hid. Oh yeah. But let's take the anger besides us and let's get to the peaceful moments. Okay? No. Why not? Because I want pizza. Okay. I wonder what Cinderella's doing. Where are the house keys? Oh, I swear I saw them somewhere. What? What's hiding? The house keys. That naughty dog must have hid it again. Now what I do? I made such a big mess. Charlin's birthday's gonna be official over. And if it is over, I'm fired. I'm fired from being a maid. Oh no, what do I do? Okay, I clean. That's what I do, Cinderella. Why are you being so dumb? Now, and you calm down now. Nothing bad's gonna happen, is it? I hope not. Cinderella, you're talking to yourself again. And stop talking to yourself. You're being clumsy. No, I'm not, Cinderella. Oh, yes. I wonder what Snow White's doing. There, everything's all finished now. I wish I could dance in this room. And I'm prancing with all those lemon juices in the air. Wait, lemon juices? I just need a finishing touch. There, with a mint on top. And now I'm done. But it's too clean. What'll Charlin think? He sometimes likes peas on the floor. Because he eats peas on the floor, of course. He's oldie now. He's old now. He's not an old man. He's a grand old man. Okay, the other girls are probably doing fine. So I better just chillax and drink the smoothie. I don't wonder what the other girls are doing. No, what am I saying? I do wonder what they're doing. They're my best friends. Now I'm wearing out. I'm bumming out. Bummer May Horace. Ow. I wonder what Ariel's doing. What are the girls doing without me? I'm stuck in this lost gone toilet forever. Because I'm a mermaid. A mermaid that shines brighter than the others. A mermaid that shines brighter than those other dirty maids. No, I shouldn't say that. There might be a fabs. I'm saying it again. I'm like Cinderella now, who talks to herself. I'm being mean. I'm complimenting. No, I'm not. I became Cinderella-fied. This is bad. According to Ariel's, they are in the sea. And I shall keep that. And I shall clean with perfume. I wonder how Charlin's doing. Charlin, you need to come downstairs. No, I want pizza downstairs. But we didn't cook you that. Arr. I said I want pizza! Pizza, pizza, pizza. He's so heavy. What did you say about me? I meant your beard's really silver and nice. Good. Even she's getting bored. Okay, listen. If we make you pizza, will you come down? Yes. Friends? Ow. Friends. There's pizza downstairs. Oh, pizza, pizza. Come here. Come get the pizza. Pizza! He's coming. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlin. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hooray! Okay, now quit cheering, because I want my presents. And I want my chair, so get it. Do you understand me? Yes, we understand you. I'll go get your chair, Charlin. Oh, this chair is heavy. Here we go. Good. Now, where are my presents? Oh, I got you a present, Charlin. It's perfume. Here we go. Excuse me. I don't really like perfume, so I'm just gonna go to the toilet now. Okay? What a rush. Oh well. Perfume's bad. It has girl scents. Now what do I do with the perfume? I know. Okay, Kara. I can't do that. It's my birthday gift. With a table there. And let me just find a place to hide it. There. I'll say I lost it. I'm quite a strong man. Okay, I better go now and make an excuse I need the toilet. I'm back! Why is my puppy on my seat? You see, you were kind of taking long, so we decided her to be the boss right now. You're lucky you're my permanent maid, otherwise you would have been fired. Now, where are my other gifts? Where's the perfume I brought you? I lost it in a dragon fight. Because when I was going to the toilet, I saw a dragon. We didn't hear any dragon noises. I mean, a toy dragon. And then I accidentally lost it in the sink. Yeah, that's what you meant? Yes, that's what I meant. That's what I meant. That was a close one. Now, where's my other gifts? I brought you something. It's a sponge. Isn't that the one from the toilet? Take it or don't take it. It's yours. Okay? Next. I brought you such a good gift, your mind would blow. Let me just get it. A teddy. It's better than the other gifts. No, it isn't. Oops, I'm so sorry, Charlin. No problem. Best birthday ever so far. Now, Cinderella, what have you brought me? I have brought you such a good gift. Hair and catch. Okay. What did you part? Oh, so sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm not sure you'd like it. Of course I like it. I like other all the other dumb gifts. Now bring it over. Meow. What's that noise? It's a cat. Meow. A cat? Meow. Your gift's the best. Why are you making me cry? Goodbye, guys. And remember to open your presents first, because they're sweet. Okay? Goodbye.